This video is a review of the Toggle VPN. So this is available on Google Play Store for Android users, and if you're on an iPhone, you can check on Apple Store to find out whether it's there. So this is how it looks like when you download it and launch it. Very simple. So you can see first you have VPN here. To turn it on, you can see the toggle there. You tap on that to turn it on, and also your regions, the bottom, you see the next to VPN is regions. So here you can check the country servers they have. Good. So they've added Ukraine, and then they've added Ireland and Israel. So you just tap on the country you want, and then you connect to the server. You can tap on faster region to get. Good. And now you come to your account here. So this account, and you can see my status is a free account. You can tap on the sign out and delete it. It's very simple. So when you just download and you open it, you just use your Gmail to just sign up. You can use it without having any account too as well, just like other VPNs. And you can see there's a VPN settings here. You can block ads by turning this on to block ads. You can turn on auto connect and then split tunneling and all that. So kill switch and the rest. Yeah. So these are some network settings that you need to be a pro before you can. You understand what you are doing. That's what I mean. And you can also set a widget on your screen. So when I tap on the widget, you see this how it's going to look like on your screen. So when you tap on connect, you don't even need to open the app. You connect it. Very simple. And family sharing too, you can share this VPN with your family and friends. Yeah. So, and subscription, if you want to go pro, that's it. We have 210 and we have 270. It depends on your country's currency. They're going to convert to that for you. Very, very simple. I think that's it on everything about the Toggle VPN. Very, very simple and easy. But I think you need to be on a pro version before you can use this app. I don't know. After I created an account, this is how it looks like. So yeah, that's it for the Toggle VPN. If you have any question or you want a free VPN, you can check my channel. I have a lot of reviews on couple VPNs, UC browsers, VPN, and the rest, a lot of them. And check and select any of them of your choice. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Peace.